Hey! It's-a me! Mama's me again, Alex. I know I haven't uploaded in months, so why am I uploading now? Answer. Quarantine. Now, if you don't remember, AstroTalk is a series on this channel where I talk about space-related stuff, interests, and just general ideas. So, today's topic, the moon. Now, let's first go over some basics. The moon is a celestial body orbiting Earth, the planet you live on. The moon is rather small compared to Earth and all of its lunar counterparts, but we'll get to that later. The moon is gray, with dark spots surrounding the face looking at Earth. The moon has about 1.2% of Earth's mass, so it's rather small. The moon is the only natural satellite that the Earth has, and is the biggest moon compared to its planet. That means that it's almost as big as its host body, making it the largest compared moon in the solar system. And its orbital period is 27 days, just as long as its orbit. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about how the moon formed. Now, the leading theory is called the giant impact hypothesis. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't have actual solid evidence to back this up, but the clues are there. We just need to put the pieces together. According to this theory, the moon formed from a giant collision from a protoplanet named Theia, about the same size as Mars. This collision was grazing, which means that the planet and the other planet went like this. Pretty interesting, huh? Sending thousands of chunks of both planets into Earth's orbit. It's not known what happened to Theia, but it more than likely evaporated from the heated impact. And since Earth was like a blast furnace, it cooked one side of the moon to hundreds of degrees. This evaporated the material facing the near side, letting it condense on the far side, making the far side 30 miles thicker. 30 miles. This then helped the late heavy bombardment release lava onto the surface of the near side of the moon, causing the dark spots to appear that we know and love today. Yes, the dark spots are cooled down lava. Fun fact, the far side does not actually have any dark spots, or at least not a lot of dark spots. And the leading theory as to why the far side is pale white, just like my skin, is that because the far side is 30 miles thicker, magma from the core of the moon couldn't penetrate the surface as easily, so there is way less dark spots. Oh, and it looks like Haley has a question. What are you asking, Haley, from me? From me, Alex. Haley asks, when will we colonize the moon? Good question, Haley. Comet abuse. My main interest in space is to get humans living on other worlds to ensure our survival as not just as a nation, but as a species. If we stay here on Earth, we run the risk of a nuclear attack, asteroid impact, or possibly a viral pandemic sweeping across the entire globe. We do have the technology to get up to the moon and set up a temporary moon base, but controversy alert, this might trigger you. But governments are just too focused on things that won't matter at all in the future. So, what do you say? Should we expand our species or stay on Earth? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this episode of AstroTalk. Click the like button if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment. It helps me expand my channel and educate everybody who is interested in what I'm interested in too. I hope you have an amazing day. Goodbye, everybody.